Hello, in front of me I have Google Pixel 5, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader. Okay, you need to be aware that if you lock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. So, for example, before the whole process you can create a backup of the data. Now, to lock the bootloader, first we need to power off the device, so hold the power key and select power off. Now, we need to download a few things on our computer, so let me quickly switch. Okay, open up your browser and visit our page, HardReset.Info. Go straight to download section, and in here you need to type ADB, select mini ADB and Fastboot drivers and hit the download button. Then go back to download section and type Qualcomm and select Qualcomm drivers and hit the download button. Now we need to open up the downloads folder, go to downloads, in here we have our drivers, Qualcomm drivers and the ADB drivers. You need to extract those two files. You can use WinRAR for it, right click, WinRAR and extract to. If you are not using a WinRAR but a different app, of course you can use it, or if you don't have those apps, you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work, those two files. Then open up the folder with the ADB drivers, double click and begin with ADB setup. Double click, press Y on your keyboard, enter Y, enter Y and enter. Okay, then select Android ADB Fastboot, double click, click on next. In my case it's already installed, so just select repair. In your case it's going to look a little bit differently, but the whole installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, and everything will be installed. Click on finish, and then universal ADB driver setup. Also select repair because it's installed. Okay, then go back to the downloads folder and open up the Qualcomm drivers, double click, and now click on Qualcomm OS version. Double click, click on run, next, finish, and now it has been installed. Okay, now we need to enter the Fastboot menu on our phone. We need to hold power key and volume down at the same time, just like that. Now you need to have the USB-C cable that is also connected to your computer. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have it, you can of course use a different good quality USB-C cable. Then connect your phone to your computer, and now we need to open up the command prompt. So type cmd, right click, run as administrator, and now we need to type a few comments. First type, if you are installing the ADB drivers and the Qualcomm drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation, so thanks to that everything will work properly. Because if you don't restart, something might not work. And now in the command prompt type cd/, enter, now cd space ADB, enter, and now type Fastboot devices, enter. If you see the numbers, that's our serial number, we can also see it in the Fastboot menu. Everything is okay, we have the connection, and now type Fastboot flashing space lock and press enter. Okay, now use volume keys on your phone, select lock the bootloader, and then confirm by clicking the power button. Now the phone will perform the factory reset. We need to keep waiting. Okay, we can see device state locked. Now click on start. We can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore, but that's not the end. We'll also turn on full security features in developer options. So let's wait a little bit, and now we can close our command prompt. Actually, I'll go to the full screen. So now we need to keep waiting until the setup process appears, and then we are going to go through it and we'll do the rest of the stuff in developer options. So now we need to keep waiting. Okay, the phone is turned on, so we can select our language, then click on Get Started. We can skip the Wi-Fi for now and everything, so thanks to that, setup process will be much faster. Click on Next, more, Accept. I'll skip the PIN. Select your theme. I can go with the dark. Skip, swipe to the upside, and now open up the settings, go to Network and Internet, tap on Internet, select available network and connect to it. Okay, now we can go back, scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, scroll down again. We have the build number, we gotta tap on it 7 times in a row until we see that developer mode is enabled. Go back, go to System, scroll down, Developer Options, and in here we gotta turn off the OEM unlocking feature. Now we just need to restart the phone to enable all device protection features, so hold the power key and select Restart. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.